How to change your last name on Hubspot, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your last name on Hubspot. First open your browser, and now once you're here, click on your profile and click profile and preferences, or you can just click this icon here, and here we'll find your profile settings. Now scroll down and here we'll find last name, and here you can change it. And now just type any name you want here, and then click save, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved, and that's it. Just wait few seconds. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.